There, how's everyone doing today? Today I'm doing great. As you can see by the logos here, we're taking a look at a Seiko Prospex. And this is no ordinary Seiko Prospex. You can see it is SPB097. And this is part of the Lux Prospex series. Let's open this cool box. I always like it when Seiko introduces a different style box. Here we got the warranty booklet, pretty thick looking instruction booklet there. And let's get to the good stuff. And here we can see the watch displayed in beautiful plastic. No, seriously, we'll take it out in a second. Let's take a look. This watch comes with an extra strap, which is always very fun and very cool. This is your standard Seiko strap that it comes with here, standard on some of the new models, like your Turtles and Samurai. And here, let's take a look at the watch itself. Here we go. Very, very cool. And still a little more plastic before we get to see what this baby really looks like. But first impressions, great color combination. It's a color combination you don't really see in watches too much. It's unusual. It kind of got a vintage vibe, the color scheme here for me. Let's take a look at it. And you could see just the way the watch is designed. The angles, very, very cool. This particular model here is based on a 1968 diver's model of Seiko's, and they're reinterpreting it with different color combinations and different styles. And all in all, I think it just is a great idea, and it really helps us get new different models of Seiko's in, and these are really a home run. Beautifully done watches. So this color combination, you got the light steely blue, black, and orange. It's an orangey red, or an reddish orange, I should say, but it's just really cool looking. They say that this color combination was inspired by Twilight, and this watch in particular's nickname is Twilight Blue. Any angle you look at it here, very, very handsome looking watch. So let's get down to some details about this baby. This watch has a sapphire crystal and has a caliber 6R15 in it, which is a 23 jeweled movement and gives you 50 hours of power reserve. Here you can see it on my wrist. My wrist is about a 7.5-inch wrist, and the watch kind of hits the sweet spot. Perfect size, 44 millimeters. It feels a little bit smaller when you're wearing it, but it just looks good. And here, you can see it in the dark. The wonderful lume that Seiko dive watches are known for. So overall, with the extra strap, the sapphire crystal, the nicer movement, this watch is definitely a home run. Looks really, really good. And I'd like to thank you guys for taking the time to hang out.